Jeg skal lige høre, er det okay, jeg filmer?
Ja.
Jeg har et kamera siddende deroppe,
Okay.
og jeg har sådan lidt her. Er det okay?
Ja, det er okay.
Nej, men jeg kan køre jer til nærmeste afkørsel. Så kan vi vente der på taxaen. Ja, det er godt spørgsmål. Nej, I har bestilt taxa herfra, eller hvad? Okay. Det kan vi lige tage, når vi... Jeg tænker lige, vi læser jer op, så kan vi køre væk herfra, for det er så farligt at holde med. Tak. Why in the fuck? Oh my god. This is too much. How does this work? So this customer is got a flat tire on the highway. As you can see here, it took quite some time just to get them out of the car because they was waiting for a taxi, and that is, I think, it's too dangerous to be waiting out here on the highway. You can see people here on the left, and from the footage of the GoPro, that is too far. They're going too fast out there. Okay. I think it's ridiculous. I just need to wait for the truck here. Thank you. It's nice you gave me some space. See people here driving so fast. So I'ma just be here, just to secure it just a little bit, and then I will go to the nearest exit and secure it even more, because the speed on the highway is so fast that people is really don't paying attention. so now I just need to pick up this triangle. At least they put up a triangle. As you can see in the footage of the GoPro, people is driving very fast and very close to me, which is not so comforting. So now I just need to get out of here. Quick. So guys, what happened was I got called to this flat tire. As you can see here, it's broken pretty good. And when I came there, the customer was waiting for a cab, and I don't mind people waiting for a cab, but I don't like people waiting for a cab while we're on the highway. So I had to be a little bit aggressive and tell them that I really don't want to be on the highway too much time, because yeah, any second is unnecessary because of the dangers that's on the highway, because they are going so fast, and they also don't give us any room while we're standing on the side of the road. So it wasn't so funny. So now I'm back at somewhere where it's a little bit more relaxed, and it's not so much danger here, which is very good, very good. Yeah, that was the deal. So now I'm at a place where I can unload, and then I'm going to pick up 2 cars another place, and then I will go to Fyn again. So yeah, you could just follow here and see what I'm doing here. Oh, it's hot today, and I'm wearing long jeans. 28 degrees. This is too much. But it's a nice car, I must admit. Which is, I think it's a hybrid. And now I just want to park it here and drop off the key. So push it in, parking engaged, and turn off. So, well guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you see you next time. Peace out.